Jai Sriman
When Dasharatha Maharaju announced his opinion to make Rama as the king of Ayodhya, entire assembly reciprocated in a very positive way. And also all the people who were there in assembly saying that, "O Raja, every citizen of this entire Ayodhya always praise all the devatas for the welfare of Rama. Such great son you have. You are so lucky. That is why, because of all such great attributes and wonderful qualities, we all want Rama as the king of this entire Ayodhya kingdom. Pasyamo yavarajyastham tava rajottamottamam Ramam indivarasyamam sarvasetru nibarhanam." We all want Rama as the king of this Ayodhya. Entire assembly said that. Dasharatha Maharaju felt so happy to see their response. And Dasharatha Maharaju now saying that, now this is the month, Chaitra Masa is already here. So this is the time Rama is going to wear the golden crown. Like that Dasharatha Maharaju announced. All the people in the assembly started applauding and making big, very happy sounds. Then Dasharatha Maharaju saying to Vasishtha Maharshi, "Oh Acharya, please start making arrangements for Rama Pattabhishekam." Then Vasishtha Maharshi, Vamadeva, addressing to all other acharyas saying that, "You all please start bringing all the ingredients, all the material which is needed for Rama Pattabhishekam. You all bring gold, pearls, herbs, garlands, honeys, ghee, garments and chariots, all kind of weapons, all the categorized army should be here. Radha, Gaja, Turaga, Padati, all kind of army should be here. And big elephants, all the flags, big golden bowls and divine perfumes, everything. You all make arrangements." Like that Vasishtha Maharshi, Vamadeva addressing to all other acharyas and also saying that, make sure all the main entrances of the palaces and all the entrances of the entire kingdom should be decorated very well, and also give away huge gifts, donations to the acharyas, to the brahmanas in Ayodhya, and request all of them to be present here tomorrow morning with Swasti Vachanam. The Rama Pattabhishekam program is going to be started tomorrow morning with meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, he Raja Rama, he Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.